In this video, we will learn about some basic terminology used in thermochemistry. So the first question is, what is thermochemistry? Thermochemistry is a branch of chemistry concerned with the quantities of heat. Thermo, is heat. Absorbed or produced in chemical reactions or physical changes of state. So either in chemical reactions or physical changes. It's part of the branch of physical science called thermodynamics, which you've no doubt heard about. So what's thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physical science, chemistry, physics, engineering, biology, that deals with heat and temperature and their relation to energy and work. So let's take two examples of thermochemistry. The first one is that, say, a base, sodium hydroxide, reacts with an acid like hydrochloric acid. Here's the reaction. HCl plus NaOH, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide, react to give us a salt, sodium chloride, and water. We met this when we talked about acids and bases. Now, not only does a chemical reaction occur, but heat is produced. And we call this an exothermic reaction. Exo is outwards, and thermic means heat. So heat is released out of the system. Exothermic reaction. We can also have a physical process. For example, when alcohol is rubbed on your skin, as in before an injection, it evaporates. What is evaporating? Changes in its state from liquid to gas. And then it absorbs heat from your skin, because it requires heat to change from a liquid to a gas. And then your skin feels colder. So this is another example of thermochemistry. Now we need a few more definitions. What is a system? A system is a part of the universe chosen for study. It can be very small or it can be very large. And what are surroundings? Surrounding is everything in the universe apart from the system being studied. So we're dividing the universe into a system and surroundings. Now we're going to talk about three sorts of systems: open, closed, and isolated systems. Here's a picture. In this picture we have an open beaker, a closed flask, it's supposed to have a stopper at the top, and a vacuum flask. These are supposed to illustrate an open, closed, and isolated systems. Let's take the first one. We have a liquid inside, and supposing the liquid is hot, then energy will escape, heat will escape. That's heat. And because it's open at the top, matter will also escape. Liquid will be evaporating. In the second picture, we have a stoppered flask. Here, if we have a hot liquid, heat can leave. But because it's stoppered at the top, no matter can leave. And the third possibility is a vacuum flask, where neither heat can leave nor matter, because of course it's completely insulated. These we call an open system, a closed system, and an isolated system. So let's summarize. So we have an open system, where heat and matter are transferred to the surroundings. We have a closed system, where heat but not matter is transferred to the surroundings. And we have an isolated system, where neither heat nor matter are transferred to the surroundings. So in this video we talked about a few concepts in thermochemistry. In particular, we talked about systems and their surroundings.